So I kind of did a oopsies. I accidentally used the wrong power supply with this KVM switch, and yeah, and started smoking like Cheech and Chong. Oopsies. So yeah, got a lot of smell of electrical fires in the morning, but it's all good. The power strip is fine. Nothing got affected by it. So yeah. So, let this be a lesson learned to pay attention to what you're doing and using the right power adapters with your things and stuff. Yeah, I popped that out, because I stomped on it to make sure that don't happen again. Because I'm an idiot and I forget things, and stuff. So I even cut the cable, so because I ain't gonna trust it anymore. But yeah, the smell of electrical burning in the morning. Yeah. Whoopsies. Well, I guess I'm not using this for review anymore. But yeah. But yeah, it was fun. Next time, record it, dumbass. It would have been an interesting video. But that's me. Anyways, the computer's caffeine chaos. But anyways, toodles.